If you're watching this, you know you are in Antara souk. And today we are doing this simple, amazing dish called SHORSHE Pomphret. Pomphret, pamphlet. I don't know with what name it's called everywhere in India, but it's a very, very interesting fish to have. And today I'm giving my own personal bong twist on this. It's a very easy recipe. If you have bigger size pomfret, just the way I have, you can slit or rather score the flesh of the fish just the way it is shown here. Marinate the fish in salt and turmeric for about 15 minutes. No more, no less. Pour in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Get it to a high smoking temperature. Then slowly and with a steady hand slide in the fish. It's gonna splatter like crazy. Be careful at this stage. Covering it with a cover is the best way forward. Now here comes the greatest shortcut that we have ever seen or witnessed in a Bengali household. A Sorshe curry in a packet. That's right guys, this is a Sorshe curry which came inside a packet, and trust me, it's quite authentic. All you do is dump in the contents of the packet onto the pan with the frying fish. And I have fried the fish both sides to golden color. Let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. And in the middle, while it's simmering, just chop up some fresh coriander and put in a pinch of it every now and then. Addition of coriander leaves like this imparts a flavor which is so umami and so great. Trust me, it came free with the leaves. And then it's about plating up and serving it hot with some steamed rice on the side. Heaven in your mouth. Just a note guys, this happy curry can be made into a veg or a non-veg dish depending on your need at the moment. This is just a veg happy curry. Addition of protein or vegetables is up to your wish. Cheers!